Effect is a world-leading company with more than 20 years' experience developing and manufacturing medical and aesthetic products. Effect manufactures the Ballancer Pro for aesthetic uses on the upper and lower body, arms, legs, chest, abdomen, and back. The Pro device and garments can be used for several key aesthetic purposes with associated health advantages. Enhances blood circulation. Prevents development of cellulite. Halts the accumulation of cellulite. Treats light varicose veins. Shapes the legs, abdomen, buttocks, and arms. Strengthens loose skin. Provides immediate relief for heavy legs. Speeds skin recovery after liposuction. And relaxes. The Ballancer Pro is used for aesthetic treatment in beauty clinics, providing a series of treatments. As a standalone or complementary treatment, Ballancer Pro is an essential device for any aesthetic professional. The Ballancer Pro provides 5 main treatment cycles which can be combined in different ways to provide numerous treatment combinations. Pre-therapy cycle, lymphocycle, Ballancer cycle, wave cycle, and gradient cycle. We will explain each cycle. The pre-therapy cycle. This pre-therapy cycle primes the proximal areas, preparing them to accept the lymphatic fluid that will be mobilized during the main treatment cycle. It first drains the proximal areas closer to the torso and then works down. The lymphocycle is generally used as the main treatment cycle, either by itself or after pre-therapy. The lymphocycle applies a directional massage that starts at the base of the treated limb, over the leg or arm, and progresses upwards towards the torso until the entire limb is compressed. When the compression wave reaches the top of the limb, the pressure is released for a brief period, allowing lymphatic and venous refill. The wave cycle starts at the base of the limb over the leg or arm. As the cell at the front of the wave inflates, the cell at the back of the wave starts to deflate, so at any one time only a small area is under compression. The Ballancer cycle. The cycle works like the wave, but it's based on speed and not on pressure. Each cell inflates within a fixed time depending on the requested speed. The regular wave-like motion of the Ballancer cycle is very relaxing and is recommended for the improvement of circulation and lymphatic drainage. Gradient cycle. A gradient cycle similar to the lymphocycle used for the same purpose, but the user can set the pressure for each cell in the compression garment. The pressure control unit ensures a positive gradient of pressure from distal to proximal. Minimum gradient is 1 mm mercury. First, connect the sleeve hose bundles using the large gray connectors to the right and left air outlets of the device and snap up to lock it. To operate the device, you can either use the control panel or you may connect the device to a computer after installation of the software in the purchase package. When using the control panel, turn on the device. You will hear a short series of clicks while the system initializes the values. To enter the data, use the 4 keys on the control panel. The up and down keys are used to scroll up and down through to the setting options. The Enter Next key enters your setting and/or moves on to the next programming step. For choosing the cycle mode, scroll with the up and down keys until you reach the editing option. Press the Enter Next key to begin editing the program. Select one of the 6 steps to be edited from the program the device comes with. Find the right step using the up or down key. Press Enter Next to enter the first step. Now you can use the up or down key to select the appropriate cycle for the actual step, lympha, wave, balancer, etc. Press Enter Next. If you do not want to change the parameters of the cycle you've selected, you can exit by pressing up or down, or continue editing by pressing Enter Next. To continue, press Enter Next in order to get into editing the parameters of the cycle you have just selected. Press up or down to adjust the pressure required. Then, press Enter Next twice to reach the next parameter, and so on. Press Enter Next to stop editing and return to the main menu, or change by using the up or down buttons to Yes to continue editing, then press Enter Next to continue editing the second step. When the program contains less than 6 steps, select End Program as the next step. Press Enter Next to stop editing and return to the main menu. To begin treatment, start the Start-Stop button. If you feel uncomfortable with the pressure, you can decrease it by pressing the down key. The pressure decreases immediately to the value on the display. In the same way, you can increase the pressure while the pressure control unit is operating by pressing the up key. After treatment has ended, toggle the switch to off and remove the sleeve from the limb. MegaEffect manufactures a wide range of aesthetic and medical garments, including 2 garments specifically for use with the Ballancer Pro, pants, and a jacket. For further information, please visit the MegaEffect website at the address www.megaeffect.com.